अभी तक हम 6000 से भी ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स को MBBS के लिए अब्रॉड भेज चुके हैं.
From university interview training to earning your MBBS degree, we are always there for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. I look after career counseling.
Hi, my name is Samidha and I handle travel and tickets.
My name is Azim Mirza and I handle university documentations.
Hi, my name is Usha. I handle administration.
Hi, my name is Falguni Soni. I handle visas.
Hi, my name is Mansi Makwana. I handle management and coordination.
I am Preeti Nahar. I handle finance.
Hi, my name is Ruchika Saklagi and I handle counseling.
Hi, my name is Dr. Sushma Sharma. I handle counseling.
Your counseling, documentation, visa, accommodation, food, safety, security, financial aid. We take care of everything.
We do what we say. We're not agents, we're parents.
Let's build a future together.